Welcome to All4. I want to show you how to set up a user. A user is someone that has access to all the reports that the company, the hoof trimming company, record. First of all, go into your login page and log into your Management All4 site. Go down to Users. The plus at the top is how you add a user. These will be your users. So go, tap on the plus at the top of the screen, and this is your setup. Login name. This needs to be the user's email address, as it acts as a signature on the system and it's easy for everyone to remember. The email address underneath is where all the notifications and, if the user requires a reset password, go to. Underneath is the mobile number if you wish to add it. We then select a language for the user. We then select which type of user it is. Users will have different options and advantages, so please select the right one. When the user is selected, please select your company. Now select the farms you wish that user to view. Now save. If this has been successful, you will be able to go now on to your email, your own personal email account, and find the user email setup. Click on Set Up Password. This is allowing you to set up a password for the new user. The password needs to have an uppercase, a lowercase, a number and a symbol in it. Make a copy. All the ticks on the right will have to be green before you're allowed to save. Once saved, I recommend you go into the system again as the new user, using the new user's username, email address, and his password that you've just set up. This will allow you to see what the user can see and confirm all the data is correct. The user now has the opportunity to go onto the system and search whatever he requires from your recorded data. Thank you for using All4.